Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Today I'm going to show you how to send crypto from your Coinbase mobile wallet to your Coinbase Pro mobile wallet. The Pro wallet has more functions than the Coinbase normal one, and also there's less fees on Coinbase Pro. That's why you may want to send crypto from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro. And this is going to be all done on your wallet. I did a video like several years ago, like 2 years ago, on how to do it on the desktop, and that was back when Coinbase Pro was called GDAX. And so this is an updated video on how to do it on your mobile phone. So here we go. So what you'll do is you'll make sure to download the Coinbase Pro app from the App Store, and you'll sign in with your account. It's the same account login as your Coinbase account. And then you want to click on that little pie there in the middle, and that'll bring up your balance. And let's say I want to bring some Bitcoin from my Coinbase account and send some Bitcoin over here to my Coinbase Pro account. So what you'll do is you'll just press deposit, and then you'll do Bitcoin, and then you'll just press on Coinbase.com. And then you'll put in the amount. Let's say I'll just do 0.005. And just click off of that. There's no fees. It's completely free to do this. And then just put deposit. And it's going to be an instant transfer. The deposit is already complete. Done. And if you look at my portfolio, the balance went up. So there it is. Very, very simple. Again, why you might want to do this is because the fees are lower on Coinbase Pro. And now, if you wanted to send it back to Coinbase, what you would do is just hit withdraw, hit on BTC, and then just click on Coinbase again. And you can, so you're going from your portfolio on Coinbase Pro, going back to Coinbase, and then again you can just click on the amount. We'll just send that back. We'll just send that much. Again, no fees, withdraw, and then it went back. So very easy to send back and forth between the two, and it's free to do so. There you go. That is how you use the mobile wallet, both the Coinbase and Coinbase Pro wallets, in conjunction with each other, sending crypto back and forth. Once again, my name is Matt Taylor, and this is my variety channel. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Take care, and happy trading, everyone.